Hi, and welcome to the course Hands-on Application Development with Node.js. I am Joris Hermans. I'm a Node.js user since 2010. I'm also an open source contributor. I created Gatsby source MongoDB, and I love to look at innovative technologies. One of the latest technologies that I'm looking at right now is Blockstack. It's a parallel internet built within the blockchain community. The course overview. You will learn a lot in this course. The first thing that you will learn is how to use Node.js and the fundamentals of Node.js, how to handle modules, how to debug your application, and how to interact with your application. In section 2, we will build our web application with Node.js and with express.js. You will learn how to authenticate a user and how to handle forms and how to display data to the end user, of course. Section 3, we will see how we can use data from our database. We will use a MySQL database here, and we will use SQLize, a Node.js module. In section 4, we will add some real-time functionality by using Socket.io. And in section 5, we will see how we can build a full-stack application by running Angular on the client and on the server. After this course, you will be able to create a website with Node.js and express.js. You will also be able to use a database and know how to work with an ORM system. You will be able to handle real-time communication in Node.js, and you will be able to work with forms and authentication and using server-side Angular. The prerequisites is have some experience with programming languages, have some basic understanding of JavaScript and HTML, and of course, it would be nice if you have some knowledge of Angular. Throughout this course, we will work on a question and answers platform, where we have question and answers page. Here, when we access this question and answers page in a different tab, we can vote. When we go to the other page, we will see the update. We can go to a detail page and we will see the answers to that question. Of course, we will also build in some authentication, and you will also see how to move to an Angular universal app. Hands-on application development with Node.js is a practical course that will take you throughout examples how to work with Node.js and MySQL and Angular Universal. Hope to see you there.